ba yan?
Saan na?
Night swimming.
Kaya nga.
Darling.
Thank you, Richard.
Ni Caleb.
Saan kami?
Let's go back, Caleb. I need to check.
We turn on the aircon.
Asan yung Hello Kitty head?
Magawa na po tayo ng pamulad.
Straight from the toilet.
Two bedrooms lang pala. Nalito ako.
2 bedrooms?
I got to call your husband.
Yeah, he said later he will.
Ano? Mag-night swimming ba tayo mamaya-maya?
Ang
Ganito?
yun yung sabi ng beach yung may 1K.
Nadidig naman ako. Sweet na, maganda. Kaya nga ako gusto ko ng mahiga. Ayoko mag-swimming ko din.
Mag-volunteer. Malalim ba dito? Isang ano lang?
Hindi ako lulubog dyan. Taray.
Siguro naman.
Haba. Pag-swimming na tayo.
Kami ni Ate Rat.
Ayan na ba?
Hmm?
Ayan na siya? Dapat magpapin mo. Ito pa rin ang
Pwedeng up natin lang. Kasi yung remote. Ha?
sa gilid.
Nilip ko to, iniwan ko siya dun sa... Ginaganon ko kayo.
Ah.
Ay, ano talaga siya. Chili ka, picture kita doon.
Yes?
Ika naman, Chi. Ay, saan ba tayo dati? Ay, pala, madaan pala dyan. Ayun. Saan di ba daan yan?
Ayun yung stairs.
Tayo nagpo-floating, ganyan. Actually, pag mataba ka naman, mabilis ka mag-floating.
Oh, nice yan ah. Nice.
Parang ang aso.
Hindi.
Ay, yung akin yung mocha. Kawawa mga anak ko. Pero alam kong matanda na siya kasi yung mata niya, parang may cloud na.
Pangit view doon.
Are you sure you can, is that plane allowed go to Vietnamese by Subi Airport?
Yes.
Or you cannot because of the because of the because why there's only one runway?
Because that's just a small...
Or can I go to Colong and Palawan?
No, Palawan is also very small. The
No,
Palawan...
can I go to Palawan? Because if any place, how many engines are there?
Ah, you mean from Subic to
Yeah.
Palawan?
Yeah, they cannot go. They allowed to go there, or they cannot because of the engine. Or what's it?
From Subic to Palawan?
Yeah.
Yeah, they allow maybe.
How about the Vietnamese?
Vietnam?
The Vietnamese. Oh, the engine will get run out. What's the rules of the go to Subi Airport? What's the rules of Subi Airport to go to any places? Because I didn't see the monitor what did they say. But not Melbourne, but what they said. That's coming. Why there's not a small planes there? On Subi Airport, small planes. It's just here at the where it's just here like it's just here at. Yeah, I know Subi is allowed to go to San Fernando. It's coming. Subi Airport was a new airport. Airport is a new. Or it's
Very old. They were used by American soldiers and Americans to fight other countries.
it's coming. Why they're not using the LC, all the airplanes, only one LC, but the others, why they using the what they call the one what airplane new?
Kayo!
Pero good for walang invite. Good for personal.
Si-charge lang sa...
Ate Lala, kasama ka na sa vlog. Sana na. Ay, gusto pala. Gusto pala niya.
Wait lang.
Pwede na rin. Ano? Alam na namin yan.
Magdilim tanong.
Oo. Kumbaga yung lights lang.
Sa ano natin, no?
Good player talaga ako eh. Ano ko lang po eh. Hindi ko lang pinagpatuloy.
Me. Ah, dito yan.
Ang ganda pa na dito eh.
Thank you. Okay na po. Thank you.
Maganda rin pala yung pool area, Chi.
Ah, maganda rin.
Ayan. Oo. Akala namin lapul eh.
Kaya lang, siyempre, dagat yung...
May gym pa, oh. And this is the sports club.
Bagay na. Para nakakasya. Nakatok na si Dicho. Si Ate Lali.
Tulog na.
Tulog na? Tayo na naman si Chef.
Present niya na okay? Hindi mo na babalik ka magkano pala magkabilaan. Sige, kating-kating na yan. Yun. Yun. Apat na kating na.
Ano po yan?
Gabi eh.
Ah, gabi flavor? Ayun, yummy. Mukhang masarap.